All right, Ann says I should add to this beaver video. Let me zoom in here. That's his little pool. There's his little hut. Okay. That's where the beaver spends all his time, apparently. He swims around and breaks up this ice so he can come and go as he pleases. Now, we're going to go over here to this tree that he's eating. 1 second here. Let's hope I'm not too close to the shore. And he'll wind up crashing through. And look at that, he's even taking a chunk out of this tree here. Look at this dude go, man. He's even he's going after that one too. But this is really what I want to see here is this. Clearly, he's out this time of the year. Because look at this. He's been gnawing on this branch here. So, unless he can walk on water, that's about, I don't know, 2 feet maybe, give or take. So, he's chomping away on this thing. There's another one there he chopped in half. Oh, he chopped that little branch there too. Where's it? Where's that? Right there. Second here. It's like Beaver 101. So look at that. That's that branch that he's chomping on. Here's one he chopped in half. You gotta see this other tree over here. That's the one he almost got barber chaired on. Poor thing. Alright, bear with me. He even took out these branches here. Look at that. That's crazy. That's a substantial branch. Look at this one here he took out. Holy moly. Look at that. Jeez, man, that's pretty good. Alright, oh, there's even more in there he took out. Wow. I gotta come back here someday soon. But now this one here is the one you gotta see. Because I think this beaver is asking for trouble myself. I really do. Look at this here. I mean, what is gonna happen when he breaks through with that? I mean, the tree's leaning at about 45 degrees to start. All this other stuff is up here. Let me zoom out. All this other stuff is up here. I mean, this may not have a happy ending for him, Mr. Beaver. But who knows? All right, that's it. Probably the last time I'll be on the ice this year. Looking for the beaver. There's Ann making tracks. So, all right, that's it for Beaver Winter 21-22. Signing off.